In this problem, we start out with a benzene ring, and this has an alkyl bromide side chain on it. And we're given a mechanism arrow that looks like this. So real quick, if we're looking at mechanism arrows, we're going from the electrons to where they end up. So if we're going from a bond to something, we're going to form a lone pair of electrons. And if we go from a lone pair of electrons to something else, we're going to form a bond. So here we're starting from our electrons in this bond. So we said if we're starting with a bond, we're going to end with a lone pair. And the arrow points to bromine. And we said the arrow points to where the electrons end up. So this tells us the electrons from that bond end up on